Hello everyone. This is the most important question that is asked. How to study PSM for INI-CET? And I'm going to simplify that for you. So welcome to the 11th part of this video series, that is debunking the myth, where we'll be discussing INI-CET previous year questions in detail based on the statistical data, and then we'll be formulating revision strategy for INI-CET 2024. Okay. So what to study in PSM? So this question is best asked to the previous year questions only. So what do previous year questions tell us? What to study in PSM? So I tabulated the questions that were asked from November 20 to November 2023, and what I found was surprising. Okay, so I found that I divide this topic according to following headings: health and epidemiology. Okay, so it consists health, with the concepts of health, and epidemiology, including this type of studies, design, screening of the test, everything comes under this topic. Okay, odds ratio, all those comes under this. Second is biostatistics. Biostatistics includes pure biostatistics only. Okay, nothing else. Then communicable and non-communicable diseases. Then health programs, environment, vectors, and all that bullshit comes under this. Okay, then comes vaccine, very important topic which everyone misses. Okay, and then I gave a separate heading, God knows what, because there are many questions in PSM which I didn't know which category to put in those. Okay, so they are not actually PSM questions, like what is the moral responsibility of the doctor if a patient comes like this, what is the first step in communication. So these are like basic common sense questions. Okay, so what did I find from the data? So the highest number of questions were asked from health and epidemiology part. Health and epidemiology part is consistently asking questions from, especially from epidemiology part. Okay, even health questions are also there, but epidemiology part is the kingmaker in this. Okay, biostatistics, for which much importance was given. Actually, in the year 2022, 0 questions were asked from biostatistics. Okay, so biostatistics is still important. You shouldn't miss it. Okay. Then come this communicable and non-communicable diseases. It is such a broad topic. But how many questions were asked? Just 9 questions out of 73. So PSM as such has less number of questions, and out of that, so less questions are asked from communicable and non-communicable. Again, programs, only 5 questions. That too, 1 or 2 programs only are asked. Okay. Environment, vectors, and all, meteorology, blah 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 blah, very big topic. Okay, just 3 questions. And vaccines, oh my god, vaccines. It's just a very small topic. Okay, very small topic. You have to just study a schedule, and you see how many questions are asked. 10 questions every year. 1 or 2 questions are asked every year. So the first take home message, the first point that you have to carry from here today is that go and study vaccines. Don't miss vaccines. If you miss vaccines, you are going to lose at least 2 questions in the upcoming INI-CET. At least 2 questions. Got my point? Okay. So we'll go to the trend of INI-CET questions. So PSM has been consistent around 10 to 14 questions. Okay, so this year also you can expect around 10 to 14, that is around 12 questions in the INI-CET. So what is the subject-wise analysis? See how health and epidemiology stands first, then comes biostatistics, then comes vaccines. These 3 topics holds the maximum number of questions. Okay, and all these programs, environment, vectors, which carries the bulk of PSM. It is just a wastage. Okay, there is no weightage in it. It is just wastage. So coming to topic wise analysis in the pie chart, again health, epidemiology, biostats. Okay, biostats, and then this vaccines. Okay, and these 3 itself constitutes around 70%. Okay, these are the 3 topics that you should focus on. So coming to most important questions in epidemiology, what are asked? Epidemiology, cohort studies, case control. Okay, type of epidemiological studies, again levels of healthcare, descriptive studies, odds ratio, relative risk, attributable risk. See, take a photo of this, because these are the topics that are again and again repeatedly asked. Nothing else is asked in PSM. Just go through these questions and then make an imprint in your blueprint or imprint in your brain, so that you don't forget this topic. These are the topics that are required in epidemiology part of PSM. These are repeatedly asked. Okay, coming to biostatistics, these are the topics that are repeatedly asked in biochemistry. Take a screenshot of this, or go and mark it in your notes. Okay, these are the questions that have been asked, and you'll notice that more questions are being asked on ANOVA, t-test, chi-square test. Okay, earlier questions were being asked on mode, mean and central tendency. Okay, all these questions, but now more questions are being asked on this. Okay, and you can also expect graphs. There are less of problem based, there are more of knowledge based questions. That was what I observed, because they won't ask you to find anything out of this. Okay, they won't ask you application based of question. They'll ask, this is the data, which is the type of analysis that you will use for this. Or maybe some new analysis has come, some ANOVA, or maybe some new test has come, so they'll ask based on that. Okay, so that is the approach in INI-CET. Maybe AIMS is more focused on statistics, that's why they have given questions based on that only. Okay, next, coming to this communicable and non-communicable diseases, I don't think you should actually study this, because study only the PSM part. Okay, rest of the things you'll be studying anyways in rest of the subjects. Okay, so coming to programs, NTEP, National Leprosy, NACO, Anemia Mukt Bharat, MCH, Poshan Abhiyan, RBSK. These 7 programs you should know. That's all. Then coming to rest of the topics. Okay, this blah blah topics, that is snake bite, vector borne program. Okay, biomedical waste management, Pearl index, all these have been asked once or twice, so don't give much importance. You will study this elsewhere. The most important topic of this video is vaccines. So these vaccines have been asked in the past INI-CET questions, so you should know these topics. Must know topics. Okay, must. Don't ignore vaccines. So how should you study for the upcoming INI-CET? First, go through epidemiology, health and biostatistics. Okay, not first, go second. First, go to vaccines. INI-CET is screaming at you, telling that vaccines are the most important topic. Vaccines will cover everything. Okay, vaccines have been consistently asked. Then comes epidemiology and health, then comes biostatistics. Then you study, if you get time, you study rest of the topics. I am definitely sure you won't get time. Okay, study only the PSM part of communicable and non-communicable diseases, and few emphasis on program, the 7 programs that I said, emphasis on that. Okay, next we'll be seeing pediatrics in detail. Thank you.